All right, we have another video here about Microsoft Outlook. This one here is going to focus on making a group from your address book. So this can be used for if you're a teacher and you want to send emails out to your individual periods or classes, you can make a group for that. Or if you're an admin, you know, certain people that you teachers or groups that you contact on a frequent basis, you can make a group for that as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. All right, so what you want to do when you're in Outlook is come down here to the contacts portion. And then when you get to this screen here, simply go up to new group contacts. Make this big. All right, and you can name it whatever you want. So let's say you have, hey, I want to email all my students in first period. We are a one-to-one school here, so all our students have email addresses and laptops. So if I want to email them directly as a class, well, that's my first period. And then, so once I name the group, I'll come up here to add members, and it's going to be from not my contacts, because that's what I currently have in my contacts, but it can be from them. This one I'm going to make from is my the address book. So this will have list pretty much all of the people here at our school. So let's just say I'll add in a student. I'll add in 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade. Try not to show you any names in here while I'm not scrolling down. Click OK. All right, so there you go. Here are the people that are actually been added to my group. All right, from here, I will save and close. There it is, first period. Now I'll go back here to message. I'll create a new email. Simply start typing in, first period. All right, now, this pretty much has everybody's email address that I listed in my group. I can expand that. You get the message here that once you expand, you can no longer collapse it. Click OK, and there are the groups. These are actually groups of teachers here, and this is a mock student that we've created for the district. So that's what's actually in the group that I created. Okay, so that's simply how you make an address group in your address book. So once again, this can be utilized for by grade level. Because these are pretty much groups that were created by our district network admin that created these groups already, and then I'm creating a group on individual email addresses that are on our server as well. So just a little quick tool that can help you out. Hopefully it's beneficial to you. I've created it for my different departments and other people that I meet with. So that is the address book tool.